Hello students, so we are back with a question on geometry, and this time it is a very important topic that is called triangles. So triangles, as you know, has three sides, three vertices, three angles. So we have a very basic question, but don't underestimate any question, because all the question contains some or the other property or the concept that is hidden in it. Okay, so we need to clear our basic concepts, because a difficult question also contains the same basic concepts that they are there in an easy question. Okay, so we need to see a very easy problem, a very easy question. So we need to find out this angle. This angle, I think most of you have find out this angle is 130 degrees. So directly we can see that this question mark will be equal to sum of these sides, but I need to analyze, we need to analyze how this 130 degrees comes up. Okay, so let us see. The property that is used is that angle C external we need to find out, and this is equal to angle A plus angle B. What is the property? That the exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. This is a property that you need to remember. Okay, how does this property appear? So we know that the sum of angles of a triangle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so keep this thing here, angle A plus angle B, keep it in this place and take C on the other side. 180, this is plus, this becomes minus angle C. Okay, what is angle C? Angle C was this, and now we are talking about 180 minus this. If this angle is C, so 180 minus this will be this angle. Okay, so this is equal to angle C external or exterior angle. So angle C exterior is equal to sum of angles A and B. So this we can find out that this angle is equal to 100 plus 30, that is equal to 130. So from here we get to know this property and this angle. Okay students, so we are back with another question on geometry, and that too from triangles. Okay, so there is a question in which this is a figure that is given. This is x, this is y, and this is z, and we need to find out this angle, external angle, this. Okay, so how do you solve this question? This question can be done by two methods. So first we will see what is method number one. What is method number one? We solve by method number one. How is it done? Okay, so to start analyzing method one, first we need to extrapolate this figure. We need to draw this straight line. Okay, this straight line, and the property that again will be used is that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, this is a property that we'll be using. All right, so by applying this property here, we can find out that this angle is actually the exterior angle of this angle. Okay, so this angle will be sum of interior opposite angle, that is x and y. So this angle is x plus y. Right, this is x plus y, and this angle that we need to find out, the question mark, this angle is exterior angle of this angle. So this will be equal to sum of interior opposite angle, that is x plus y plus z. So we can directly calculate question mark will be equal to x plus y plus z. Okay, using single property, that is external angle, exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, this is a property that we use. This is question method number one. Now method number two. Let's see what is method number two. For method number two, we need to, if you cannot If you cannot think of this, then you may think of any other thing. How? You need to connect this point with this point. Okay, connect this point with this point. So after connection, this is y1, so this is y2. Take this straight line outside. Okay, this is y1, this is y2, this is x, this is z. Now we need to find out this complete angle. So how do we do it? If this angle, we need to find out this angle is the exterior angle of this angle, so this will be equal to sum of interior opposite angle, that is x plus y1, and this angle is the exterior angle of this angle, so this will be equal to sum of interior opposite angle, that is z plus y2, and we need to have this complete plus this complete. So this will be equal to, question mark will be equal to x plus y1 plus z plus y2, that is x plus this y1 and y2, the total comes out to be y. So x plus y plus z. You can calculate by either method number 1 or method number 2. Any which ways, the answer will be the same, that is x plus y plus z will be the right answer. Okay. So we have another question from an important chapter, that is geometry, and that too triangles. So there is a triangle given ABC. ABC is a triangle. Triangle is A, B and C, and a point D is selected such that, and AD is drawn such that AD, that is this side, is equal to AC, this side, and is equal to BD, that is this side, BD. Okay, so these three sides are equal. All right. So we have been given that this exterior angle A is 70 degrees, and we need to find out this angle, angle C. Angle C, that is this angle, we need to find out what is the value of this angle. Okay. So this question is pretty clear. You can attempt it, and I will try to solve this question with the help of various properties. So I will tell you how to use the properties in this question. Okay. So let us see first from where we'll start. We'll start with this. The two sides are equal. Here also the two sides are equal. So we start with this property, that the first property says that equal sides have equal opposite angles. That means if AD is equal to AC, these two sides are equal, that means their opposite angles are also equal. The angle opposite to this side in this triangle, we are talking about triangle ADC. Opposite to this is this. Okay, let us consider this is x. All right, if this is x, so the this angle will also be equal to x. Okay, clear? So if the sides are equal, the angles will also be equal. So this angle will be equal to this angle. All right. So now after taking this triangle, we move on to the second triangle, that is triangle ADB. The triangle we are talking about is ADB triangle. This triangle. In this triangle also, the two sides are equal. This side is equal to this side. So the angles opposite to these sides, angle opposite to this side is this angle, and this is this angle. So they will be equal. So consider this to be y. This is also y. Okay. So we found out in these two triangles, these angles are equal and these angles are equal. Now consider second property, that is exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So now we see that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Consider this angle, angle x. This is exterior angle of this angle. Okay. So this x will be equal to sum of interior opposite angles, that is 2y. So from here we get x will be equal to 2y. Right. So this is y, means this is y, means this x is equal to 2y. So we can replace this x with 2y. Okay, if this is 2y, this was also x, so this is also equal to 2y. Okay, so now we have simplified much of the question now. So let us see the same property will apply in triangle ABC. This property. Okay, so how we apply this property here? This is angle A, this is angle A, and this is angle A exterior. So angle A exterior will be equal to sum of interior opposite angles, that is y plus 2y will be equal to exterior angle, that is 70 degrees. So 3y is equal to 70. So y will be equal to 70 divided by 3. This is y. Okay, but what is the question is, we are asked this angle C, this is 2y, so 2y we need to calculate. We have got y, but we need to calculate 2y. So 2y means 2 into y, that is 70 upon 3, which will be equal to 140 upon 3 degrees. So this is the final answer that we get. Okay students, so we are using two properties, first and second, and we apply these properties in this question, and we get the final answer as 140 upon 3 is the right answer, students. Okay, so we have another question from geometry, and this time it is from squares. So this is square and this is a triangle, so the properties from both, that is square and triangles, will be used here. Okay students, so concentrate. So we have a square ABCD that is given to us, and this is a point where this side and this side makes, again the side is A and A, this is AA, this is a square, so all the four sides are equal, and this we need to calculate the angle X. Okay, so how do we solve this question? Firstly, you need to have a property of square. The square property is that all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So we have taken 4 A's. This, and this. There are 4 A's. All right. This is the first property, and second property is all angles are equal and equal to 90 degrees. So all the angles will sum up to each will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, so there are two properties of square that we are using here. All right, and if we take this to be point O, this OBC triangle OBC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means in which all the sides are equal. This is A, this is A, this is A. So all three sides are equal, AA and A, and all angles are also equal and equal to 60 degrees each. These are two properties of equilateral triangle. These are two properties of square that we'll be using. Okay, so we'll solve this question with the help of these properties. So if this is A and A, so this is an equilateral triangle. So this each angle is 60, 60 and 60. Here 60 angle, and we know that each angle is 90. So here the leftover portion is 30 because total was 90. 90 minus 60 is 30. So here is also 30. Here also 30. Okay. So let us see now this triangle. I'm taking triangle DOC. This triangle DOC. This triangle, students. This triangle has two equal sides, A and A. So this the angle opposite to this is this, and the angle opposite to this is this. So they will both be equal. If this is X, yeah, this is Y. This is also Y degrees. From where we get this property? Equal sides have equal opposite angle. This property we are using right now, the property of triangles. Okay, so if the sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. And now in this triangle we apply sum of angles rule, that is 30 degree plus y becomes 2y. This is equal to 180. So 2y becomes equal to 150 and y is 75. So this y comes out to be 75 degrees. Again, if this is 75, this is 30, these are equal. So this angle will also be equal to 75 degrees. Okay, students? So we have found this 75, this 75, and this is 60. So we can calculate the value of x now. As we know that this is a complete angle. Complete angle is always equal to 360 degrees. So we have 75 plus 75 plus 60 plus x is 360. This is 150 plus 60 is 210. So x is 360 minus 210. That comes out to be 150. Okay. So this angle here will be equal to 150 degrees. This 75 that is 150 plus 60 to 210. If we subtract, this comes out to 150 degrees. So this angle, we find out the x angle will be equal to 150 degrees, students. Okay. All right. Thank you.